guys over 50, you know, I see this all the time. I go to the grocery store and I see people that seem to be 50 or older. I'm over 60, but I see them limping. I would say it's almost like a majority of people that are over 50 are limping, or they're not walking with a normal gait. So I'm going to show you some exercises. If you're a beginner lifter or if you're having issues with your back, I'm going to show you a few exercises that can help strengthen that core and hopefully help eliminate back pain. So we're going to go on. I'm going to show you 3 or 4 different exercises that you can try in the gym. I'll show you some alternative ways that maybe you can do it at home. So let's get started. This is something that a beginner can do at home. This is a crunch. Okay, I'm going to bring my hands here. Don't pull up on your head. All I'm doing is contracting my abdominal muscles. That's what it looks like. Now, as you get more advanced, you could actually do a full sit-up. So I'm going to bring it all the way up. Now, again, these are exercises that we're going to do to help support the lower back. These muscles that I showed you at first are very important. Now I'm going to show you an exercise for the same muscles that you can do in the gym. This is an ab crunch machine. A lot of gyms have these. It looks like this. Okay, this is something you can do at home with dumbbells or something that you can do at the gym. This is just a straight leg deadlift. It's going to work the muscles in the lower back. Start off slow. Maybe you start off just going down a little bit. And maybe you don't use weight at all. If your back is hurting, you got to start off slow. So maybe you don't use weight. As you get stronger, you can go down lower. And then you can add weight. This is an adductor machine. This is one that you would obviously not do at home because most people don't have this at home. But this is something that a lot of gyms have. So on this one, we're just going to bring the weight in and let it out. This is important to work these muscles to support your lower back. Your lower back may be hurting because these muscles are not strong enough, along with the exercise I'm going to show you next. Okay, this is an abductor. This is going to push the other way. Also very important to support your lower back. If you're not in a gym, you can do the adductor and abductor like this. So I'm just going to put this on my ankles, and it's a band, and I'm going to go out. Same thing as the machine I just showed you. Now I can push the other way. Those are exercises that you can do at home or in the gym to support your back. I don't like seeing people limping in the grocery store. You can do something about it.